This is where the problem started. That top plate was leaking once the tank got full, and it was putting raw sewage all through the joint, and it stunk. That problem is now solved, but boy, what a big job. Oh man. Mid-1990s Riviera, flybridge, 40 foot. Pretty standard bathroom. We've just replaced all of the lines for the toilets. What a massive job. I've had professionals here for 3 days. I've been here the whole time to replace all of the lines with this new stuff. It's not quite finished yet. I reckon there's about 40 man hours in it so far. Professionals with good tools. I've been here the whole time. Not to mention the parts. Oh boy.